I have why? An audio amplifier and 2 speakers. I got these speakers from a friend of my mom's, Ryan, or we call him York, because he fixed a wire on this with a chewed up York peppermint patty. Disgusting, I know, but we cleaned it up, so I'm not going to be touching anything gross. So first, I'm going to be taking apart this amplifier, and I know what some of you might be thinking. I don't know. Oh, he's showing his face now, but that's only because I'm sick of adjusting my camera, so my face is just out of it. I don't care anymore. Wrong way. Screws are stupid. You know, I originally thought I would just do a face reveal at 50 subscribers. But for the sake of ease of production of videos, I guess, why not now? Not like it's gonna give me any, like, revenue or whatever if I wait, so. What's the point? Whatever, I'm just gonna pause the video so you don't have to watch me unscrewing this. Alright. See what we have in here. There are a crap ton of spider webs. Comforting. Okay. A ruler to look at that. What the heck? Dust and webs and the skin of a spider. Huh. Yeah, this is not very good. Okay. So how do I go about doing this? Guess I'll just get rid of these screws on the speakers. Oh, jeez. The webs are wrapping around my drill as it turns. It's not good. Right, so instead of tackling this area, which there's not much I can do about it right now, I took off the front panel. Dear, wow, holy crap. So yeah, this is some high voltage stuff. Those are some high voltage resistors, and these, I don't know. Don't know what these are. But the lighting situation in here is horrendous. I turn on my lamp. That's gonna do anything. There we go. So this, I don't know what that is. Probably a capacitor. Oh Jeez, that is brittle. The soldering is very brittle. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. Just pop them off. It's dusty. It's very old. So where are my clippers? Really like to know what's under it though. Have some more stuff. What looks to be some capacitors, some coils. So on the circuit board, I got, apologize for the bad camera-ing. I'm bad at doing YouTube. I got 2 of these high voltage resistors, 2 high voltage capacitors, and from these ferrite core transformers, I think they're transformers, whatever, they're coils, I got this much copper enameled wire. Very useful. And from the rest of the box, all I'm really going to get is another speaker. And with how many webs there are in it, I think I'm going to do that later. So let's move on to one of the smaller speakers. Why were there speakers in an amplifier? Whatever. Was it even an amplifier? I don't know. Boom. So. Oh, it's full of cotton. I love cotton. And just as much as I love the fact that my phone is heating up. So. Whoop-de-doo-dah. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day. I cannot cut these frickin' wires. Speaker. 2 magnets. Interesting. Got another speaker. Interesting. And circuit board at the bottom. With it is just wires connected to the input. That's all it is. But it also has a, if I can get it out, capacitor. It's just a box, which I can use, which will, come in handy for my next project. Very high voltage project. You'll see what I mean. I'll probably close my door. Yeah. So I got these bars off the other one. Electronic genocide. I get this. 1 speaker, 2 speakers, 3 speakers, 4 speakers, 5 speakers, 6 speakers, because there's one I'm still too afraid to try to get out. 2 rolls of copper enameled wire, 2 capacitors, I think, I don't know, 2 high voltage capacitors. Was it ceramic? Whatever. 2 high voltage capacitors. And 2 of these capacitors. I'm supposed to wear these goggles. Whatever. Done is done. What am I gonna do? Electrocute myself? Ha 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 ha! That would never happen. But I would like to thank my mother for being very supportive and bringing me all of the electronics that I have murdered for my own self-satisfaction. Thanks. And thanks for watching.